This is my 380 case loader landscaper. Now this tractor is probably over 40 years old. Now the other day I was mowing and I went to clean my filter out like I normally do when I'm mowing. And when I took the breather off, this is what I found. Now look what happened to that breather. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me zoom in a little closer. You see right in there, it looks like a rodent got in there and chewed the filter out. Now this is a better view. You can really see how the rodent chewed all the paper filter out of there. Now this filter is K952331. Now I've checked all the tractor supply places here in Nova Scotia. I checked the trucking companies, and they can't even find a cross-reference to one of these. I even went online, and there's not one place, not even down the States or here in Canada, selling this filter. It's been discontinued. So what I think I'm going to do, or I think this is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take this apart. And what I did, I bought some, this is for a foam for aquariums, and it's 60 pores per inch. So it's fairly tight. It'll filter out the air. And I ordered that on Amazon, and it's 4.5 inches wide, which is plenty wide for this, and lots of length. Anyways, what I want to do is I want to take this apart, get the rest of the paper out of there, and put that foam in. Now, before I tear this apart, a person could just take this foam, wrap it around the filter like this, maybe put some tie wraps around to hold it in place. That would be the easiest way, but it wouldn't be much of a video, so I'm going to take it apart. Okay, now I'm going to put this here, take this clamp, let's see, that there to hold it. Now, there. Okay, I want to tear that paper out of there. I put my gloves on. Now that's held in there by rubber. Oh, that might sound in there pretty good. Now this is a 3/4 inch chisel. It's fairly sharp, but not too bad. It's one of my old ones. So. And to the other side. There. See, that's rubber down in there. Let's see if we can get this foam in here. Okay, it's probably a 1/2 inch to 1 inch a little wider, but that'll be okay. That'll compress in there. Okay, now I got my foam cut. I want to drill holes, and I got my ruler here, and I want them roughly 3-inch. There's 3. Now these are little 3/8 sheet metal screws. Bring them in part way. There. Now the ones down there, I'm going to put them in the center so that the wire goes zigzag. Last one. There. Use a tie wrap through there. So tiny tie wraps. No. No. Here. Nope. Going over through here. Snug them up. Now I want to take this machinist wire, and wrap that around there. Tighten the screw down. There. And I just want to wrap. So. these screws. Cut these little pieces off. There. Now, if you used to buy that filter, they're around 80 bucks. Now that cost me, I don't know, $15 I'll say, with the foam and the screws, which I already had, but anyways, let's put her on the tractor. There you go. Well, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.